Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to be sharing with us on how to create an OKX AVM wallet so that you can enable the SUI exchange or network on it, right? And you'll be able to check for the Memefi Airdrop Eligibility checker on OKX. So if you don't have an OKX wallet, you just have to download an OKX app. Download it. If it's not working, you can make use of a VPN. Then if it is showing this exchange, ensure to change it to wallet, right? Activate wallet because we are using Web3 wallet, not the main exchange. So you don't need any information, any formal information to be able to use this. Once you are able to use VPN, if it's not allowing you, for those of you that maybe your regions will be restricted from the main exchange, since the exchange and the Web3 wallet are all in one app, use a VPN, then switch instead of this exchange, activate wallet. Once you activate wallet, it will allow you to create a wallet, or it will take you into the Web3 wallet. You can see this is my wallet. I've created this wallet and I'm asked to back up. How do you create a wallet if you are new? If you are new to it, you may see a wallet already generated, or you may just have to follow the instructions on how to create a wallet. So just click on this wallet at the top here. You can see add wallet. So if you click on this add wallet, you should be able to select create new wallet, import wallet, or any. So I will advise you create a new wallet. Once you click on create a new wallet, the wallet will be created, right? The wallet will be created and all the informations will be provided, right? So you'll be asked to back up the wallet. This is how it will display. You click on create wallet like I mentioned, then you can see back up to Google. I don't advise backing up to Google Google Drive, because if anything happens to your account, your Gmail account, people can have access to your wallet. I had that experience. Like I knew somebody that actually got affected by this, and I wouldn't want you to be part of that. So back it up manually and write them down on your notebook or somewhere safe. So I'm going to click on manual backup now and I will write them down. I'll do that before I will proceed with the video. All right, so I've been able to back my wallet and you can see the wallet is displaying this way. So what I'm going to do next is to check for Memefi Airdrop checker and proceed with connecting it to my Telegram wallet where I am doing my Memefi. So what I will do is I will come to this place. You can see we are on home. So you can see all of these things that are actually flipping, right? All of this flipping here. This is the home. So you can see check your Memefi airdrop. So you can just scroll them out or slide them so that you can see Memefi. Memefi is the first one. So you click on check. By the time you click on check, it will ask you to connect your Telegram wallet. Click on, Telegram account. Click on Telegram. Then it will bring you to this interface where you are to log in to what? Your Telegram account. So I'll click on continue, or if it's not working, I'll have to switch to VPN so that I'll be able to have access. So let's do that right away. I'm going to use VPN now. So the moment I use VPN, it allowed me and it brought me to this place. So I'm going to click on this continue so that I'll proceed with logging in to Telegram. So here I'll provide my Telegram information so that I'll be able to log in to OKX with my Telegram, and I'll be able to. So I'm going to drop my phone number right now and proceed with the wallet or the Telegram linking so that I'll be able to do the further verifications. So I connected my Telegram wallet. I used my phone number and they sent me confirmation to my Telegram of which I approved, and you can see accept. So I'm going to accept it now so that you can see you have successfully logged in. That was the notification I received. You can see my Telegram wallet is connected. And you can see this is showing my current coin balance. This is showing my spin, the current spin balance. This is showing I am on Memefi Premium is checked, yes. I am on Ton Transaction is checked. I've done Ton Transaction is checked. I've done Telegram Star is checked. So you can see I am set for what the snapshot, and I'm also set to check my eligibility. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back and click on check now. Since you've connected our Telegram wallet, we'll click on check. Let's see if it's going to appear. You can see all of these have appeared, right? They have all appeared. So let's wait for the checker or the snapshot which is coming on the 13 or so. But then let's go back to our Telegram account so that we can connect our Memefi more, right? So let's go to our Telegram account now. Okay, it's our Telegram. So let's go to mining. Let's go to Memefi. Is Memefi? Memefi, where are you? All right, so let's go to Memefi. Then we'll connect. We'll confirm the OKX connection, wallet connection, and the SUI network connection. So let's do that now. All right, so the moment I open my bot, you can see Memefi pre-market live on OKX. This is not the one, right? So now let's close all of this. Let's go to, this is it, right? It's showing here. This is it. You can see the icon here. So you click on this, click on it, or check on the tag section and you see connect OKX wallet on SUI. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on check the tags. So I'll click on check the tags to see if I've connected my Telegram. You can see it took me to my OKX. So I'm going to click on what? Connect wallet. Let's see. Connection successful. Let's go back to Telegram. You can see sign in, confirm. I've signed in, right? Let's go back to join once. Then you can see task successfully completed. You can return to the game. I've completed the task and I'll be giving this 25 million worth of Memefi coins. So I'm going to return to the game. You can see, let's see if this is still showing. It has been connected. So that's how to connect, to create an OKX wallet and connect it to your Telegram account and also do the SUI wallet network connection.